was like, watch this shit. Hear me out.
Feet first. Yeah, feet first.
Don't order those hot Jones unless you try and win a t-shirt and some money. Those are competition wings.
Oh, this must be the what? What more can I say? I'm about to walk in this bitch like my last name was Drake. But my first name is Drake. I took his name. And I took his name. Wow.
Were you the one who went the 1 7 of each flavor? Alright, yeah. So I'm not sure if the cashier told you, but whenever you do that, you gotta come in and do that, pay over the phone with a card.
No, nobody told me that.
Yeah, so I thought she told you
So
that.
they're not ready?
Well, no, I can make it for you. It's gonna take about 32 minutes.
32?
For 77. You say you want one of each flavor.
Yeah.
We get there, the food's not ready.
Yeah, it takes 10 minutes to cook. It takes 7 minutes to cook, and then it takes about 3 minutes to sauce them all.
I thought you said 32.
No.
Oh yeah, I can do 13 minutes.
I want them just well done though. Like,
I swear,
don't rush them though. You don't gotta rush them.
Okay,
I thought you said 32 minutes.
No. 13. I'm sorry about
I
that.
can do that, yeah.
Alright, cool. Drop them.
Drop them. You heard that. You heard the man.
Yeah, drop them.
It was I mean, you guys want some fries on the side? You guys want some drinks?
I want extra
I
wings.
ordered fries. I ordered a large fry with it.
Alright, cool.
Yeah, let's get some.
Don't
Can we
charge
get
us for a
some?
large fry.
Can we get
I'll
some?
take care of that.
We ordered 77 wings. They gave us 1 fry.
Thank you, sir.
I thought you said 32.
Nah,
Magic Johnson said 13, bro. You should have
Like wait for you?
Yes, please.
Yes, please.
Okay.
Madam, take your time on those.
Cool.
Bitch.
Total cost of $114.35. I appreciate you being understanding, man. Seriously.
Yeah, I thought you said 32
I
minutes.
appreciate it.
I just thought you said 32 minutes.
Oh no, 13. Yeah. 10 minutes to cook.
We get there, the food's not ready.
13 minutes, 77 wings, 7 flavors, 11 flavors, $77 a flavor, $72 a month.
You do the math.
You do the math.
Subscription.
This wasn't even, this is a review. This ain't no mukbang, this is a review.
That's Shaq versus me. Wow. Remember I did that to you, Shaq? Remember I did that to you, Shaq? Wow, he don't remember I did that to him. America. Where my wings, bro?
In the basket,
It's been 13 minutes. I want extra fries.
And where we at?
extra fries. How many fries you need? What to your diet?
My diet is different than a diet to y'all.
Yo, this nigga.
You feel me? My diet is different than y'all diet.
When this nigga sees food, he eats food. He was like, yo, I ain't eating today. As soon as we talked about eating,
I'm putting it for the wings.
he put the first 15.
My 15 back, bro. I ain't eating, bro. Bro.
You want your 15?
Yeah, man. I ain't eating no wings. I just want like 2 wings.
We'll see. Hey, this better be good, yo.
Oh.
I got a tip for you. Don't light a match at a gas station.
Don't let a match at a gas station. Don't let a match at a gas station. No, I don't even play them. No, I ain't even playing. No, I just do it and I just do it. Go, whoa, ho. I don't even show nothing. I don't even know nothing. Fucking, fluffing, nothing.
Little bitch. I got wings in a basket. Subway, eat fresh. Let's get out of here before we order some more shit.
Before, look.
First one in, last one out. What a bag.
What a bag.
Gotta get my honey mustard for the fries.
44 on my waist. Big raw jeans.
44 on my waist.
Shaq jeans.
You only care about yourself and wings.
Retarded. Retarded. 8 beat alphabet or F's, you retarded.
Just do it.
Do it.
I am picky. If it's sticky, I call her Vicky.
Vicky.
If it's icky, she is so Vicky.
Hit the cush, blow it out like a mummy. What she want? She want hers. No, she want me. I want them. You know what that means? 3. Nigga, plus me. Kyrie broke his ankle. Now he can't cross over.
Nope.
Fuck you talking about?
What?
Career almost over.
Gone.
That's like like 14 to 5 years. What you gonna do with your career? Kyrie get back with LeBron. You know LeBron just went to the champ, bitch. It's bitch. What you wanna do? I'll win, bitch. I go fishing with my pole when I catch all big fish. Little fish to me. My fried shit, I'm deep. Like deep fried. All up in your bitch, deep in her eyes with a take off. Where the fuck he came from?
Nigga, that's a dirty white tee.
Nigga, is that a wallet or a passport?
That's that chicken.
Nigga, my chicken's in a bag. I'm not a bot.
Oh my God. Put it on your white tee. It's already dirty.
It's good, bro. It's on my bag.
Paranormal bot activity. Whose alarm is at 5:40?
Take your insulin, please.
Who got a 5:40 nap alarm? Nigga.
Nap alarm. Oh my God.
Nigga has a 5:40.
This nigga got the Monday through Sunday thing.
That's that. It's time to go hoop.
Better see what these motherfucking wings hitting for. We about to put this rug down and shit. You know what time it
Don't
is.
spill the wings.
Bro, they on my back. Look. Oh my.
They're leaning.
Bro, look, nigga, the part that's spilling is right here.
Bro, it's leaning.
Look.
Now it's spilling on that side because of you.
I told you.
Just put it on the floor, bro.
It sound like Ernie and Bert. Like, y'all niggas is really Ernie and Bert. Reporting live with Ernie and Bert. Back to you, Doris.
Ernie and you about to be a...
Set these wings. No, don't set them.
Here we go.
Your bag. Your bag.
Here goes Shaq. About to try. No, I don't. That's a diet is deep on.
Bruh, I want to die on a seafood diet. I want to die to the point I'm going to be seafood and eat it. Seafood, y'all look. I'm going to lose weight. You want seafood and eat it. Wings turn me on. That's you, Doris. Thanks, DA.
The fuck? Where did Mark come from?
Don't worry about me. Worry about crazy. Yeah. Get that gang on my back.
Wow, niggas can't even. Bro, we can't even have a good
honey mustard.
Bro, we can't even get a good. Nigga, yo.
Oh my God! Please stop me.
Yo, y'all are crazy.
Wait. Yo, wait. Yeah. Wait. I got a large for free. Who bought honey mustard in the way?
Had to get my honey mustard for the fries. All right, where the ranch at?
Lava's ranch with our blue cheese.
Yo, where's the wrench?
You better not fuck up, man.
No
They
ranch.
forgot the ranch.
No blue cheese. No white sauce.
Oh.
Right here.
No, he didn't get plain.
They said you want plain too?
This is me. TC.
Full crust?
They said reps the crust.
Full crust wings. With lemon pepper though. Yeah, this is me.
Them fries is nutty.
Look at Shaq.
He said, all right, now it's my turn.
Yeah, let me go back in.
Like, it didn't have 8 handfuls already, bro.
Bro, I ain't being the biggest.
I had 2
for
wings.
everything, bro.
Order,
you got
I had
ranch
2
upstairs?
fries.
Yeah, I do.
We need ranch.
We're about to go steal ranch and blue cheese from Turkey Hill to Cups.
We're not.
We're on a mission. Come on. Come on. Come on. Play some ranch. He's like, hey, Brett. Oh.
So that happened to you, sir.
He got it on my shoes, yes, and on my pants.
So we don't believe you, and back to you, DA.
He fell in love with her only thing.
I love with these fries.
Yo.
Podcast.
Was he ugly with a fat ass?
Shaq Diesel.
No, bro.
Monkey Pips nickname.
What'd you just say?
LDI.
Bro, I'm not ready.
Gang
How you feel?
Gang shit or lame shit, and if you hanging, don't bang shit.
We got
lemon pep.
the lemon pep right there.
Little Peter wings.
Lil Peters.
These, what's that say? I can't read niggas' handwriting.
Nigga, just name the wings.
6.
You know what? So we got everything?
Everything.
Alright, we got everything. So let's start with the plane. Get whoever got plane. Word up.
You got
I think it
plane.
was one of them word though. I think it was that word.
Just name the wings, nigga.
We got the TNT joint.
That's the hot Jones. Okay.
Hot, spicy. Then we got the classic.
That's what
hot.
I picked.
That's what I picked.
We got classic hot.
You don't have to. You can be
Classic hot
yourself, bro.
joints.
I
Right
ain't
here.
myself. I'm a
Yo, yo.
character.
You just been to stuff
Yo.
with two people. Why you
Why you supposed to be following me, bro?
Alright, bro.
Like, come on.
Get my all messed up. Look.
Classic hot, bro.
Classic hot.
See that? Get that.
CH. I got it.
Classic mild.
Classic mild.
Get that. Get that. Get that. Sweet barbecue. SB.
SD.
I mean, got the honey mustard.
HM.
HM.
Like, you know, Shaq knows.
Yeah.
All wings.
Got the honey gold.
Oh, that's the honey gold.
Honey
right there.
gold.
Honey gold.
I heard that's the special.
Okay.
I heard that's
Ooh,
the
okay.
top joint. Yeah.
Top joint. We gonna see. We
That's
got the
the one I
sweet
picked.
heat.
Sweet heat. That's the one of my
America,
favorites.
Jamaica,
We never
Los
ate here, but I
Angeles.
know sweet heat
Los
is.
Angeles. I picked golden honey. Yeah, I did.
No, you didn't. We got them every
Asia,
flavor.
nigga, we all
We got every flavor.
Asia,
You picked TNT.
Jamaica, Puerto Rico.
Oh.
Believe me.
All right,
No, whatever.
all right, yeah.
All right. Kentucky bourbon. There it is.
Kentucky Bird,
There
KB.
he is. Garlic palm.
Garlic parm. That's for
that's right
bad
here.
breath
It's in
niggas.
the cut. Shaq let him garlic palms.
Everybody's trying. Everything.
Lemon pep.
Lemon
lemon
pep
pep.
for them sweet niggas.
They ass.
How
I ain't
did
gonna
lemon
cap.
pep taste, man?
They
Look,
shitty.
how you know they?
They shitty. I ain't gonna even cap. But we gonna see how we gonna see what everybody else think. Cajun country.
Cajun
I didn't
country.
even know Cajun had a country, but it's. I mean,
Alright.
that's what they is. That's all we got right now.
That's
That's all we got.
okay.
I mean, so we gonna taste them. I mean,
We're gonna see what it's hitting for. What's this place called?
This is called the Wing Basket.
Wing Basket.
I mean, we
Viewing
gonna
deposit,
let you know after the
spread.
video if you should recommend. I mean, if you can.
Yo, he's so
You
horny.
should go
for
or
his
not.
wings.
Shaq can't wait to eat the sweet heat.
Hey man, y'all got you with the backstage
The fries is
problems
slapping.
coming into the real jump, bro. Y'all bringing up backstage problems,
Nah, bro,
Got
because
to.
I'm mad. I want
They gotta know. They gotta know what's really
You
going
gotta be
on,
mad at me
bro.
about
They gotta see the
video.
They
behind
want
the
to
scenes
see
shit.
it, nigga.
I
see
wanted
that
some
shit.
fries, bro.
You know what I'm saying? Like they gotta see you. You was the nigga that brought the plain wings to
The
the
realest
joint.
nigga in there.
You see what I'm saying? They
The
got
nigga that
know.
I came equipped with
Nah,
sauce.
nah,
They
don't
gotta
say
know
that.
shit like
I don't
that.
need
Don't say
sauce,
that.
nigga.
Plain wings?
Fuck out of here.
I ain't gonna lie. Plain wings better than fucking.
Yo, this.
I ain't gonna lie.
We ain't get to
Plain
taste
as
it.
hell.
Plain.
Girl, I'm fly like too plain.
Yeah. He's just plain as shit.
Nigga, 5 seconds ago they was better than lemon pepper, bro.
Nah, that's when I bit it just to like.
You got plain with no hot sauce?
That's one.
Nah,
Bro,
you gotta
you
try
gotta
every
eat
flavor.
wings how they are. I don't know why
Try
y'all
every
flipping them,
flavor.
never in my life.
flipping them.
Yeah,
You know
nigga,
this freaky
This shit
shit.
so plain, it
y'all.
don't got seasoning on it.
Alright, so the plain wings, I ate one side, what I mean?
1 out of 10.
I get these 4.
I get these. Yeah, I'm on his level 4.
I say about a 3.
He's a slight 4.
Cause they not that bad, but they just don't have no
Got no
flavor.
seasoning.
I
They
like
got
the
the
meat.
perfect
I like the meat
texture.
on it.
No
I get,
flavor,
yeah.
no
got the
flavor.
Plain.
Pause.
First bite, it don't have the crisp. You know the crunchiness that I'm going for.
Oh, you asked because you got a flat.
Yeah, I
I
like
flat
that.
too, I like flat.
I'm a flat dude.
Well, it got see this.
This don't have the.
This
More
drum
meat on the
did,
drum.
but
The drum had the crunch.
This don't
it
got
just
the
don't got no
crunch.
seasoning.
Alright, plain wings.
All together, what was that? Hold on.
4 out
I
of
give
10.
it an 8.
He said 3.
You said
These are plain wings.
He
These
said.
are plain wings.
So that balanced out to what? A 6? Yeah.
That's
Alright,
probably a 5.
6.
I gave it a 4.
3.
4, 3.
4.
3.
Oh, 3.
If you ask for plain
Oh, so
wings,
5. So
these
4.
taste like plain
5.
wings, bro. These
Five.
taste like plain
Alright.
wings.
What's KB?
Kentucky
Barbecue.
bourbon.
Kentucky bourbon. We on the Kentucky bourbons.
You on the KBs.
Listen, if you're asking
They
for
look
plain
good.
wings, you want plain wings, get plain wings.
Kentucky bourbons off look. You want to show them to the camera?
I feel like you get plain wings for kids.
Yeah,
Yeah.
go try it.
Your kids will like them.
Kentucky bourbons.
Right, you know what I'm saying though?
Kentucky
Feel
bourbons.
you? Like, it had a good texture.
All
They
you're
look
asking,
decent.
Y'all know I don't fuck with. Y'all know I don't fuck with.
This would be a wing spot. I don't think it's
Why
bad.
not a sauce bowl? But we gonna if Juan says decent, then it gotta be a little decent because you don't fuck with sauce for real.
I don't know what Kentucky
I'm
bourbon
only gonna
means.
take a nibble.
Alright, Shaq took the first bite.
What that taste like? No,
Hey,
no,
my-
don't tell. Take
Oh.
y'all bites, bruh.
Hold on, let me take my bite first.
Take y'all
I'm
bites.
like, well, I don't fuck with it. Hold on, give me that. Hold on.
Okay.
This tastes like
When the next time
beer.
y'all want to go back?
Oh, Shaq, this one of them.
This is getting a 7 from me.
Okay.
This tastes like beer.
All right, that was 2
This is
bites.
getting a 7 from me.
2
He
bites.
said 7.
He didn't finish his wing yet.
I don't know, bourbon.
I don't know what Kentucky bourbon
Honestly,
Yeah. What it tastes like?
sweet outer core. No seasoning on the inner core. Once again,
It's
like,
definitely
But
bourbon.
they don't. You tell they don't season their wings.
They don't
don't.
season them.
Like
It's
just
outside
toss
flavor.
them.
It's a lot of
They
outside
cook it
flavor.
and then toss it.
Yeah,
Cook it, that's all they do.
need to
Toss.
they
No
need
flour, no batter.
Like the outside.
They cook it with no skin. They cook it with no
Outside
skin. They cook it with
Why
no
ain't they seasoning their batter?
Yeah, that's the thing. See, it's very good on the outer.
Seasoning is very important, fellas. And if you don't season, fellas and fellas,
ranch.
if
Yeah,
you don't season your food, you can't have it.
I could use the
Now
fly.
I'm about to use honey mustard.
But those right there off the first kick, I'm gonna get those at 7.
If I had the dipping sauce,
If I had salt and pepper,
Yeah.
salt and pepper them.
I'm rocking one on that. Seven's a good rating.
That's 3
I give it
7.
6. Yeah.
I say
6?
5.
5,
Five. All right.
6,
I said 7 already.
6.5, 6.5.
Five. Yeah, 6.5.
All together,
Oh, crap.
6.5.
6.5
That
for the
aftertaste
Kentucky
was like
bourbons.
weak.
SB. You remember? Delicious.
Well, Monk got the
Hey,
lid.
Cranberry
White
sauce
sauce.
right there, bro. For y'all, so y'all, just in case y'all got touch off home, y'all got wet night, white. You got yours, Porter?
SB, sweet barbecue.
Sweet
Ah,
barbecue. Okay.
sweet
Okay.
pussy sandwich.
Appreciate you.
Sweet
Now
bar.
this, if you like plain, you gonna like these,
Okay.
man. I'm a plain
What-
nigga.
what-
Oh yeah. You know the show off gotta come.
Listen,
Oh, these the hottest wings.
nah, sweet
He was
barbecue.
the last one done.
Alright.
He was the last one's done, bro. I'm
Last
talking
one
about
done.
temperature hot.
Sweet barbecue. Let's see what these joints is hitting.
How them Jones look?
They don't look too bad. Presentation, I give it an 8.
Yeah, presentation. It's a little
I
wet.
give it an 8
I got me
presentation.
one with a lot of sauce on it this time. See if that makes a difference towards the inner.
I think the
Yeah,
ranch
dipping in
is
the sauce.
Sauce
ain't really up for the inner.
All right, Juan, what's it for?
If you ain't sauce it on the inner, you ain't winner.
These joints bad.
This is an outside only company.
Alright.
They don't only care about outside. Beauty from the inside.
Alright.
Change only come from the inside, and this is only
Rose
outside.
gold seats. If you finish that
Off rip.
sentence, these wings is bad.
These are the best ones I ate so
Nothing
far.
against,
Kaylee? Very Kaylee?
nothing against
Your palate.
Wing Basket, but this might be the worst barbecue wings I've ever had.
The overwhelming answer was not
No.
wing basket.
Not for barbecue.
Mm-mm.
These are still like a low 5.5, 6, but they're probably the best
These are like
ones I
3.
And these are regular flavors.
I'm giving
These
these
aren't like
a
exotic
5.
flavors.
ate. Yeah, these are the regular
This is
ones.
supposed to be
but
sweet barbecue.
I ate this one.
I already forgot
I
what it
mean,
tastes like.
it hit my taste buds better than the other two.
I already forgot what it tastes like.
They could have just
You just like
put.
barbecue sauce.
I do, a lot.
Me as well. That's why I can. This is not.
That's why I can
It's
give it a
not it.
5. It's
It's
not
not
the
it.
worst.
Everybody did 3 wings, plain.
Kentucky bourbon and
Yeah.
sweet barbecue.
What y'all think so far?
Sweet
Just at
money.
a place.
So far, I'm gonna go.
They're outside only company.
Okay.
Alright.
Explain what that
Bad
means.
service.
They only care about the outside of the chicken. They don't care what goes inside.
They don't see the chicken.
They
They're
don't
outside
see-
only company.
Outside
All
only.
right, so yeah, Wing Basket. They don't season their wings,
At all.
but
What we gonna give SB as a unit?
I give SB as a unit. I'll give SB.
I'm gonna give it. I'm gonna
A
give it
4.
a. Yeah, I'm gonna give it a 4.
Unit 4. But let's try everything. Let's try
I'll say
everything,
5.
bro.
I'll
That's
give
only
it
3.
Four, yeah, that's only
We
3
got 11
out of
flavors,
11.
bro.
That's not even 50%.
You got it.
CC.
Oh, it's,
Oh, this is
oh,
dry
it's
rub, fellas. Can we see what
12
which one is
flavors
CC?
because of
Oh, what's
Which one is
CC? What's CC mean?
Which one is
Kentucky.
CC? Nah, Kentucky.
No,
Service.
that's
Oh my God, what's
Hold
going
on.
on?
Cajun something.
Cajun country.
And it looked like a dry rub.
Cajun country.
And this look like a dry rub. Who
Shaq, could
want to show it
put
off?
that? Yeah, show
Oh,
that
yeah.
off.
Who want to show it to the camera?
Go ahead, Shaq.
Look, that needs to. Yeah.
Shaq, do the honors.
I do
Ah,
what
he
that
caught
job.
it.
Wow.
What?
What? No,
That joint's flavor. Look at his side. Look at his
Damn, don't show up that one.
They gotta see these
Damn.
Wow.
Damn.
bro.
Wow.
Look at his touch. Look who's
Man.
calling me from the group.
You about to give him a 1.
We on live
Is
with
that,
it. What
hold
up,
on, that's
nigga?
Quan?
What up, digital?
Alright. So these are the first
Yeah,
ones
bro.
that should be seasoned from the in and out.
We eating
So let's
right
see.
now.
Ah, these
Describe
joints
these.
Better be seasoned.
These joints got her
Describe it,
seasoning on it. They gotta be
Pull up.
seasoned.
Hold on,
Horrible.
be careful with
They
these.
terrible?
Horrible.
No, be careful with these.
Well, I don't even like country. No
First of
bother.
all,
It's my turn.
y'all ever had
I don't like country.
Hold on,
people.
don't.
I don't like country music. So
this Tabasco wing?
Taco seasoning.
Tabasco wing.
Yo!
Taco seasoning. Taco seasoning.
Yo, this is taco seasoning, bro.
Damn.
This is Szechuan.
bro,
Stay on.
No.
stays on.
And taco mix with
Tabasco from the heat. You know
Probably a
how,
little bit of Tabasco.
Wing
But I
basket,
can feel it at the
bro.
you
end.
ever had a Tabasco?
I can feel it at the end.
This is taco
What
seasoning.
y'all doing, bro?
Yeah, they're not low.
Yeah, when we put this video up, y'all are
Not slick.
y'all
And
are
we not
fine.
saying y'all
I ain't
suck.
going, bro. I kind of like them. I won't order them again.
I didn't want to sound fat, bro. But I'm giving these a 7.
Oh, we know you like them. We know you like them.
I knew it was coming, but these are getting a
Nah,
7.
these ain't bad.
You just started to taste like spaghetti. You know taste spaghetti a little bit?
Honestly,
Smells
they
spaghetti.
It
just
tastes like oodles and noodles.
with the
They
red
just
little
taste like
peppers in them.
Like
Yo, this tastes like a ravioli, bro.
Outside spicy chicken noodle.
no seasoning.
Yo, this-
outside.
Listen, I'm gonna give it this.
Hold on, pause.
This was their best seasoned chicken so far.
Yeah, because it's a dry.
Hold
rub.
on, stop. You know what this tastes like?
I will give it that. That
Yo.
might be their best season
You
right
know
now.
what this tastes like? A cold pizza roll.
Hold up. Wait one more time.
This tastes like pizza roll.
No, he's not. Now you say it.
I like pizza rolls.
Now that he says it, bro, I'm tasting it, bro.
I
It
get
tastes
this
like beef
about.
oodles and noodles, bro. No cap.
This is the worst one for me.
No, this is the most seasoned.
Nigga, it's a no,
No
for me.
season. That's why I
Yeah,
like
no
it.
for y'all?
It's
There
a no
no.
for me, Randy Jackson.
There
Randy
no.
Jackson?
There no.
I get these like a 2.
I'm Paula
Three.
Abdul on this one,
Matter
bro.
of fact, out of all the ones we had,
Those
they're
are
the most seasoned.
Most seasons.
Most
So I like
seasons,
them.
cause
There's
they're
a no
not-
and I'm still
I'm gonna give them a
eating.
7.
So they might gotta be like at
I
least
might
a
have to
5.
give it a 7, bro, because I
on.
keep eating them.
These are an 8.
I give it a 1.
These are an 8. These are an 8.
I might have to give it a 7, bro. I keep eating.
I give it a
Anybody?
1.
These are an 8, bro.
Nah, I
No,
give it
thank you.
Yeah, I give it a 5.5, 6. Yep.
So,
that's about it.
What's it called? Cajun Canyon?
Cajun country.
Cajun country?
Tastes like
They ain't that
All
doing.
together?
They
You
got
gave it a 1?
Africans, bro.
Took that shit right down.
Yeah.
You good?
Some of it was
Shaq said a 7.
Give them a
I
7.
might give it a 7, bro.
7, 6.
I mean, like, literally, y'all gotta think about these.
One dropped to about a 5.
Think about these
Give me a
wings
synopsis,
compared to.
Again.
No, we
Yeah,
can't. No,
like-
no, we gotta compare them to the rest of the wings. On here. We
Right.
can't compare
But
them.
bro, but these
Yeah.
aren't 7. None of these are 7s yet.
But that's
You
why
ain't
you gonna
tasted
go
7
to.
yet.
Nah,
I just- I
I
ain't
rate
messing
those
with
on
Yeah,
a seven.
you didn't taste a 7 yet, I don't think.
They're like a
Yeah.
seven.
Or you just gave these.
He gave them Jones a 7.
We gave these what, a 5?
Freaky.
And then we
nigga.
gave these a 6. You know, lemon pepper. Somebody,
look,
somebody
Jack.
show these off yet?
I got y'all.
As soon as I see
it's
that little
low
ash,
sugar.
I'm
Lemon
gonna
pep.
I don't know if you know what that is. 'Cause I was about to hold it. I'm like, oh, yo. I see the little ash.
Y'all shut that.
Another dry rub, lemon pepper.
gonna get in
Looks
there.
good.
Dry rub, lemon pepper.
A lot of people don't even know that.
This dry
Yeah,
rub
you
actually
see
has some
that
very
rub.
good
Yeah.
oil at the bottom of the wings. If you always
Yeah,
look.
that's
You're supposed to-
the
yeah.
dry rub that I like.
You're supposed
Let
to
me get a
like-
lemon pep.
Yeah, go ahead. We on?
Yeah.
Yeah, we rolling. You
I'm
bot.
gonna let everybody taste it before.
Yo,
Put it out,
first
put
bite.
it out.
First bite right now.
I'm gonna let everybody taste it before I got. Before I get my rating. I already told y'all.
Let me finish this sentence for you.
What number you wearing football one? Yep. That's what they get.
Rose gold seeds.
Rose gold seeds.
I actually like these. If you take the,
You gotta
should
dip
dip
it.
it.
In the, yeah, you gotta dip it.
You like it, one? Oh yeah.
they're pretty good.
Rose gold seeds.
These was
I get the lemon taste, and they were cooked.
I might have didn't dip.
cooked in
I might
egg batter.
have didn't dipped it in. I probably didn't dip it.
Go
in
ahead, try it.
Yeah, let me try to dip it in the sauce.
Look at it.
My first joint was shitty. I keep it all the way at bean.
I can't call monk fat.
8.
8?
8.
8?
I know Jack
8.
gonna say 20.
6.
All right, cool. Yeah, Shaq.
Four.
I mean,
4.
Hey, I can't argue with that. With that buttery little different junk.
4.
I feel like season was alright, but the other season was better.
just do it too.
Nigga, you took one bite and finished it.
They're not as shit flavorful as these, but I can eat those a lot, so I'm giving those an 8, bro.
I'm giving those an 8 because that
like-
sauce.
Yo,
I'll tell you why
wing
you
back.
like it.
Hold on, pause.
You like them because they're close to run. They close to
Wing
play.
basket.
Simple.
They close to
Them
play,
joints
bro.
are so
They
simple.
don't even
Wing
It's
basket.
got limited flavor.
You can't even taste the lemon or the
got little
pepper.
You can taste
Y'all taste
everything.
buds.
Yeah, you
No, I think it
got.
got a little bit. Like,
You don't got
lemon
that taste
pepper
buds
flavor.
that just like natural
Nah, I like
shit.
lemon pepper, but this shit
Bro.
ain't nothing special.
I taste
Y'all,
the
y'all
lemon.
taste buds is so bad, y'all need extra flavor.
Like, you thought I was gonna turn it down?
hot, like the most
Cajun hot?
hottest one.
Cajun hot? Corey hot? Canyon hot?
It's gonna be TNT. That's supposed to be our
HG?
hottest.
Ah, CH. What the fuck?
Chicks and hoes.
Chasing hoes.
China hose.
China hoes. I love
Got
China
his
hoes.
extra wings and
Shaq.
everything.
Huh?
Chinese
I got two
hoes,
wings.
nigga.
All right. What you say?
Why they
CH.
get up and walk?
Classic hot. Reggie.
Oh, okay. Reggie.
Classic hot wings.
That's
These
Reggie.
niggas might be known for their Reggie, bruh.
Off. Hold on.
Reggie.
Before y'all.
Off the
Oh,
look.
I thought this was a fucking.
Look at his stubby.
I got a stub
Look
toe.
at this. Look at this.
Hey, all
Oh
right.
crap, bruh.
This is a BS hot wing.
Off the Rippus BS?
Yeah,
I don't even see no sauce.
Just
First of all, it's not even
All right, hopefully.
red.
Yeah,
It's
hopefully.
not
hot.
red.
Hold on. What's classic to them? Like,
white people.
we about to find out.
Sorry, America.
We about to
I'm not
find
racist.
I
out.
do take some hot though.
But America, white
First
people
bite
do
with no
not
ranch.
season their chicken.
First bite with no ranch.
Yeah, it's hot.
Nobody's listening to me, but
All right.
everybody knows that white people do not season.
Again, wing basket.
This is a
Nah,
black
that's hot.
spot.
This
No,
is the
that's
worst hot wing I've ever
No, it's
had.
not.
Nah, this hot.
Nah, this is a black spot.
Hot.
It ain't Wingstop.
This black owned, bro. This ain't bad, bro.
Nobody thought that was funny. Fuck y'all.
You said a joke.
I'm gonna say America might thought it was funny.
You said a joke. Try the classic hot.
My fault. I was smoking a blunt.
Try the classic hot.
You didn't try the classic out yet?
Yeah, you didn't even try to. We all did a review on the joint. I gave it a 3.
All right, where's it at?
Reggie, CH. Campbell.
They got an overall
Wait,
4 right
did
now.
they do a dry rub?
When I get these?
Hold the fuck up, America, Jamaica, U.S., Asia,
Philippines.
Russia. These motherfuckers did a dry
Yo,
rub.
this is black
hot.
home. Watch what you say, bro.
Yeah, these motherfuckers.
Oh,
And
this
a
is
dry-
my own, bro. This is the best hot wings I ever had.
Yeah.
The best. All these shits are a 10.
Listen, they did dry rub hot wings. I never heard of that. Horrible. I'm honestly not finishing this one. That shit is
Yeah, I
horrible.
didn't finish mine either.
Yeah, me either.
I didn't
Me
finish
either.
mine. I
That
didn't
I
finish
ate all my wings.
Very horrible.
I didn't finish that one though.
Two.
I'm 200.
The Reggie Hot, 2.
2.
I'm gonna give it a
Go
4.
on.
I don't even
Be
give a
honest.
fuck.
I'm gonna give it a 4.
I don't
I
even
want
give
y'all
a
to
fuck
try
what
the honey
everybody
gold.
said.
It got a little
Hold on,
spice.
whoa, we skipping H&M.
I want to try honey gold.
Honey mustard.
H&M. Hold up, we going H&M.
Honey mustard.
Honey mustard.
Honey gold is
I'm a
supposed to
pass
be
on that.
the
What
favorite. That's
flavor
a
is
crowd
this?
favorite.
Honey
I'm
mustard.
gonna pass on honey
Honey
mustard.
mustard?
I'm gonna pass on that. Is that what it's called?
Yeah, that's honey mustard.
I hate honey mustard.
Y'all gotta try it.
Honey mustard wings. We gotta try it, bro. We gotta try it. We can't
Open
pass,
it up
Juan.
first. Open it up.
Oh, no. Oh,
Let
yeah.
me show America
Y'all
because
got it.
listen, America,
Not
Asia,
happening.
Europe,
Not
Southeast, Russia,
Look
Moscow.
at that nasty.
I love
Oh,
mustard.
yeah, no.
These are probably the best.
You
They
can
probably
have
don't
it.
be
I like honey mustard, man. We about to
They ain't
see.
even see it.
You got your own personal right there.
But I ain't need it for the fries. The fries is already in.
I wish I knew what the fries tasted like.
Alien
Oh,
fries.
boy, you tried them. Stop that, bro.
I ain't tried no fries.
I'm going to grab the honey
Hey.
mustard wing. Ew.
He took the one with the most mustard.
I would never subject myself to doing that.
Alright,
like
let's see what
mustard.
these freaky wings is
All right, honey
like.
mustard wings.
These wings about to be so
Watch
freaky.
it. Don't tell me you ain't about to try it.
No, I'm not. Yeah, no. If I don't want to do something, I'm not doing it, and I'm not doing
Boy,
that.
you know what mustard?
Good decision.
Like, who puts
Yeah.
honey mustard on wings?
Man.
I'm not finishing this one.
See,
either.
I like honey mustard
Yeah,
wings.
this
Is it getting worse?
No.
This one's horrible.
Horrible. I
They got
can
like that
tell.
ammonia taste.
Yeah. What?
That
Hold on.
pneumonia taste.
Whoa.
That hum on
What's
you.
ammonia?
Pneumonia
No,
taste.
he
Y'all know
said
what-
hum
y'all know
on
what-
you.
Ammonia?
He said ammonia.
Pneumonia.
He said
Huh?
ammonia.
Like when you wake up in the
Is it
morning.
ammonia?
Nah,
Yeah, this is a bad wing.
you know that.
Oh, when your breath stink in the morning.
yes.
That hum
Two.
on the.
All bad wings did 2. I don't give it a 1 just to fuck 12.
Nah, this doing too.
Yeah. Fuck 12. Ah. It gave you the
Ah.
heebie-jeebies.
Oh my god.
Honestly, the mustard's disgusting.
I'm about to smack him.
That shit.
All right, go on.
All right, listen. Matter of fact, these are the worst wings.
Ever.
0. I give them a 0. Don't get them. Don't go to wing. Don't whatever wing
I
basket get
finished
them.
every wing.
Don't get honey mustard
Don't
or
get them.
dry rub hot that they call classic.
I love honey
It's
mustard, and I
dry
get those a
rub.
1.
He caught it. In the consensus, they get a 0.
Yo, these are the crowd favorite right here. Honey gold.
All right, honey gold.
Honey gold is the crowd favorite. Somebody show them off when you're done.
These look nasty.
Seriously.
Don't say that.
America, Jamaica, USA, Russia, South America.
What crowd?
These are horrible.
What crowd?
Honey gold, shitty.
What crowd?
Like this is just funny as fuck.
Honey
Are they
gold.
really getting worse for them?
No.
They went from. Nah, they pretty consistent.
They're pretty consistent.
All
bro.
this money we put,
hold
I'm
on,
gonna be
hold on.
hungry.
I'm about to go on their website and
They're
rate them
pretty
a
consistent
2.
on the shittiness.
We gonna have to put these back in the air fryer.
No, give them to the dog.
Yo, let's just go out to eat and finish the video.
Give them to the dog.
Yeah,
Dog
we about
food.
to go out to eat and then finish the video somewhere else.
I'm joking, though. We can.
Oh my god.
Hold up.
I like these.
Honey gold?
No, bro.
They
I'm
supposed to be
trying.
the
Yo, these niggas don't got a name.
What is it?
Oh my
I
god.
hate
Nah, it
Garlic
do, it do.
GP.
Yeah.
It's a G. Gary
Yeah.
Payton.
SV.
Garlic Farm. I'm gonna finish these.
Hold
Now,
up.
these, I'll give these a 6.
Hold up.
Oh my god.
Bro, this sauce is weird, bro.
It's like what? Yeah.
This
Ah.
You
It's
said
to the
3?
point, like, I never tried the sauce like this, so
I'll give it a 3.
6.
one- This on 3.
The only 0 we got right now is honey
2.
mustard.
2 on them. 2 on them so-called
Come on, man.
crowd
Stop making me
favorites.
look fat.
All right.
Listen,
crowd.
Go
if that's the
4.
crowd
Only
favorite,
you said
makes
4?
you look back.
I'll give it a
like
6.
I don't know
Oh,
if y'all
Jack
like.
gave it a 6. Jack bumped it up.
Hold up.
So we gotta be a 3 then.
Listen,
Gotta be a horrible.
I don't know
Horrible
if
3.
y'all like rushed our wings because we ordered 7 of each kind. I don't know if y'all rushed them or something, but like y'all gonna be on YouTube.
I definitely asked for well done.
I want them
I thought you said 32.
No.
Oh yeah, I can do 13 minutes.
I want them just well done though. Like,
I swear,
don't rush them though. You don't gotta rush them.
Okay, I think y'all wings. Bro.
These shits, if he asks for well done, horrible. Y'all don't season
I'm
y'all
gonna have to
wings.
bump these up.
I'm not trying to come at y'all, but like this shit's
Wanna go?
horrible.
I might have to bump them up. I'm still eating.
He's 1.5.
You got me on the table, man. I might get over.
I'm already on the next wing, bro.
Let
I'm
me
already
get that garlic
on
parm.
What's that?
I'm already on garlic parm.
I hate garlic parm, bro.
Garlic parm.
I'm gonna try it. Just
We on Gary Payton.
This is another dry rub.
I'm gonna try
Another dry rub.
I hope y'all hate this.
Hopefully these joints look better. These joints look decent, bro.
I hope y'all hate these.
it. I hate garlic parm.
They got potential.
No, these are actually better than the plain.
Oh
Really?
my
Basically
god.
what they are.
Oh, hold up.
These are plain wings,
This
bro.
place plain for real?
These are plain wings.
Yeah, so they're better than the plain because a little bit of taste of
I
garlic.
can't finish that.
So I'm gonna say
Alright, again.
a 3.
These are the worst garlic palms I
Zero.
ever had.
Said them niggas.
0. 0.
But honestly, they're not bad.
0.
They're 5.
They're mine.
What's the ball off a hoe's name?
Digging up those holes.
0.
Listen, that was the first wing I finished out of the last 3 wings. All right,
0.
these 3 wings I did not finish. This wing I did.
Yeah, I didn't try 2.5 bits.
I gotta give these joints a 6.
Yeah, honestly, they're really good.
I'm trying to tell y'all, they're mine.
They're better than the plain.
0.
But we're gonna try.
Rather than plain.
TNT.
Those are mine. Let's try those.
Those are the hottest wings. Oh,
Ever.
they're supposed to be the
You know
hottest.
this nigga thinks he's hot. We got still high wings.
I'm gonna give those a 4.
Okay.
4?
Let's go still high wings on them.
What are you
Now
giving
we're
them?
going TNT wings.
We're not ready for
0?
TNT.
So what that? What's
All
that?
right, first of all, America.
Yo, we didn't even
Wow,
discuss
they
what
look like
was.
the.
More dry rub.
Oh, put the.
Why they keep doing dry rub?
Bro, they gave
Put
us
the classic
plain
hot
wings.
next to the.
It's the same
Oh!
There's no sauce.
Oh, they put the classic hot.
Where is
The
the,
classic
sauce?
hot is the
Jamaica,
same.
America,
Wing, bro.
Australia, and
The
Russia.
classic hot is the same.
If I showed you this one, you would not say this the hottest
Bro,
thing
we've
I've
been
ever seen, bro.
bamboozled. Finagle. Finesse. Ran amok. Oh my god.
Oh. Where the water at? Yup.
I'm good.
That's my review.
That's the one I'm gonna
Let me
pass
go
on.
get some water.
That's a 10. That's a 10. If it's hot, it's supposed to be hot. That's a 10.
Yo, that's the one I'm gonna pass
He
on.
said, whoa. Make sure you don't drop no bones.
They just might look like they shitty, but them shits is hot.
He said,
Nah, that's a 10.
They hot,
they hot?
but
I don't even want to eat it because it's that hot.
once again,
That's a 10.
no fucking flavor.
That's a 10. If it's hot, it's not supposed. It's hot.
It's supposed to be hot.
I'm scared.
The TNT supposed to just be hot.
Y'all
I
got
want to
it,
try it for the video. I don't want to be no.
Yeah, I ain't no hot person. I don't want to try that shit. But I'm gonna try it.
Just
Yeah,
for the
I think I'm
video.
about to fill a wancho and say y'all just got this one.
bro. Yeah. Y'all go
Nigga,
ahead.
you already took a bite.
I didn't. I just split my flat.
I'm trying it. I ain't know.
I just split my flat.
Everything I did, he's going in the air.
I'm sweating America, Jamaica, Russia, Asia. I'm sweating.
Nah, he
Yeah,
really is.
they about to have me.
I ain't
Oh!
His pores is really crazy.
They sneak up on you. Look.
Yeah.
They don't talk about looking like that. They
Yo,
be hot.
no, nah,
they
nigga,
all
you ain't no
over there.
bitch. You said you wasn't no bitch, nigga.
Where my white back?
Eat that. I bought this, but I'm taking them back.
Somebody about to get.
We got any more?
Holy fuck.
Oh my god.
It's a mine.
Where is CM? What is
I need a
CM?
napkin, bro.
Yeah, I can't lick my fingers with this. There's no way.
Don't touch your
Over
finger.
there. CM.
This is nutty right here.
Cameraman.
Yeah, don't eat them drums.
Whoa. TNT.
Don't eat them drums.
America, Jamaica.
Don't
I
get
am
'em.
Sweating.
Bruh, hold up, bruh. All these wings starting to look the same to me, man.
Hold on. What is those?
Classic mild.
CM, what is CM, bro?
Classic
CM
mild.
is really classic mild. Why do we
It's
order
classic
those?
mild, bro.
Why do we order stuff?
Why do we
order
order?
plain? We order everything. Look, you order
We look them niggas in the face. Said we want 77 wings.
Yo, where's my napkin?
And we want classic mild as well. Nigga,
you want, a napkin?
What?
What you want, a napkin?
Oh my
Hold up,
god, bro.
This is how this hot wing got me.
Europe.
I finished the whole
Look at his feet. Oh,
Jamaica,
my God.
America,
Europe.
Wisconsin,
Europe.
Asia, Australia, bro.
He's gonna have the meanest shit tonight.
Yo, finish them Johns.
Yo, y'all really want to eat the classic mouth?
Bro,
Yo, he's really, yo, go to
Classic
the,
mouth.
bro, go look the camera in the
Hold
face,
up.
bro.
Oh,
Hold up,
what?
listen.
Yo,
Sit down, sit down.
on the wings.
Damn. I'm not really a mild wing person. That's why I was like, Mo, why this shit? Bring me up.
I said, watch out.
Don't order those hot Johns unless you try and win a t-shirt and some money. Those are competition wings. Those are not regular wings.
That was funny, look.
I'm hot. My head, I'm sweating.
Hold on, no.
I'm done.
We don't want classic mild.
Yo,
I'm about to say, do
that-
niggas even want to try classic
mild.
mild?
I want to try every single one.
No, nigga,
Yeah.
why is
Alright,
Give me a
classic,
classic
mild?
mouth now.
Listen,
Bring me,
that
Bring
was
me
so
them
hot.
classic
but
mouth.
sir, there's no
For those
sauce.
be hot wings, what do y'all give them? Who else want? What, TNT?
Two. Like, them drills ain't hot, bro.
Ooh, what the TNT Jones?
I took a bite.
I ate my whole wing.
I ate mine down to the bone.
Nah,
Okay,
this
not
is
that hot.
That joint is
You
hot.
don't
My
like hot
lips is
I
burning,
didn't
bro.
pop garlic
You
prawn.
know them wings, or you know that
all I
sauce
did was
that
split
you
my
eat when
wing.
your fucking
Let me get a classic
lips start to
I think
burn,
it's catching
bro.
up.
I feel that
Can I
shit
get
in
a
my
classic
lips.
mouth, bro?
Classic
bad.
mild might be better than all these junks, bro.
Yeah, right.
This might be the deceit.
I'm prepared for the best
All right, let's go.
classic mouth.
I'm gonna go
Listen, them hot wings are so hot they just ruin my appetite.
They're not even hot. They're like no spice to them. Just plain.
Them are very horrible.
Because Shaq said the hot wasn't hot.
Hold on, this is water wing, right?
So I know these joints is plain.
This is Dasani.
Wow.
Dasani wings.
So wet inside. See,
So
your
gooey.
wings.
Your wing's supposed to have a little yuck,
Drop this.
That's what it deserve to be.
slimy wing. Yeah, you deserve.
So the hot. So
Is this getting worse for real,
the
bro?
yeah, it's getting worse.
I think the last 4 was 2.
So what's we on one last one? The last wing is the
Still
Cinnamon
high
Jones.
Jones. What's the still high Jones?
What's still high Jones?
Do we got
What's it called?
sauce on it at least? Because all these been dry rubbed. Literally the last 5 been
Shitty.
dry rubbed.
Hot. They look alright.
No, they've been dry rubbed.
Seasoned hot.
Like, what the
Shitty
fuck?
hot. No, what did they call?
All right, seriously.
What's
What
the
is
high
they
call
name?
for?
Wing basket. Do y'all use sauce or everything is
All
dry
right,
rubbed?
sweet. Oh no.
Is everything
Sweet
dry
heat.
rubbed?
Honey?
Can you tell me?
Sweet heat.
Sweet heat. Okay.
I know
Those are
sweet
good.
heat.
Those are good.
Let me see.
I
Let me see.
know
Let me see. Is everything
I
dry
know for a
rubbed?
fact those
No,
are
everything
good.
not dry up. That's just how they make it.
Okay.
It's just bad.
You might have got, yo, this might be the
I know
last one.
for a
Might be
fact.
the savior.
Yo, come on, save them.
Sweet heat, baby. Sweet heat.
Cause right now I'm not coming to the wing basket. I'm gonna keep it all the way big.
Nah, these don't do
Except for the
good.
fries. The fries is good.
No, that
I
ain't
have
been going
some.
nowhere for
Fries is good.
Sometimes it's good.
Why they look at too? They put sugar on everything. That's they season.
Okay.
That's horrible. They
Sweet
put
heat.
sugar on everything.
I know these are good.
Sweet heat's good. Yeah. I like sweet heat.
Whoa.
Alright, we're not gonna eat these at these. Come on, man.
You're not coming to the cookout.
Yeah.
Don't bring these to the cookout.
Don't bring none of these.
All
And
right.
I'm not even trying to be mean.
Like all
Bro.
jokes aside, bro.
All jokes aside, don't bring these to the cookout.
Yeah, listen.
Y'all try.
Yeah. Sidewalk.
Porter. All jokes aside.
Who got the paper towel?
Chalk.
Chalk.
Porter's got the chalk. To chalk. To chalk. So Porter's got the chalk. To chalk. To chalk.
Somebody roll up. Somebody roll up that wing basket.
Listen. This is not black.
I don't even
Put
Yeah.
wing basket in Elegant.
Yeah.
Put them in
Y'all
Elegant.
got Yelp?
Put wing basket in Elegant. They're
Yo,
done.
we got Goat Season Yelp. Follow
And
us on Goat Season Yelp. We leave reviews
Honestly,
on everything.
this is a 2.
So y'all can check
The
out our
whole
reviews.
restaurant
Yo,
right
the
now.
whole
restaurant,
restaurant,
For wings.
bro.
For wings. Not their other. For wings.
What is a wing basket?
Nigga, they only sell wings and french
It's
fries.
called the Wing Basket.
I didn't see. That was a fuck up by me.
So,
Zero.
thank you.
Zero thoughts.
These was the worst.
Zero thoughts about this.
I like them. Fries.
This is
And y'all specialize in wings?
No, this is
Overwhelming answer was
Nigga,
not
I'm
the
going
Wing
home.
Basket. Yeah, I'm gonna just put these in the air fryer. I'm gonna try to get y'all the reviews after the air fryer.
Yeah, they might be next day wings.
You feel me? Next day wings.
next day.
no.
wings.
They might be.
Might be next
They
week.
might.
Yo, stop. We coming up with some shit. If these niggas can make wings, we are making y'all heard it here first. Next day wings. We present next day wings.
Next day
nigga.
wings, nigga.
We gonna outdo everybody. Cause if they make
We're
wings
about
like
to
this,
go to Wing Basket,
Yeah.
order wings, and cook them the next day and sell them.
every
That
time.
was a great
Look,
idea.
he
We
still got butter
You're gonna
nose.
see sweating.
He got butter nose.
TNT Jones.
What was the
well.
best wings though?
The best ones. Ooh.
the ones that did the ones that they said they were gonna do was the
These
TNT.
ones.
Yeah.
The country,
The,
the country
meatball
crops.
man.
And I don't even like country people.
The meatball man there.
I would say
and
them.
the Gary Page.
Nah, the SVs are good too.
I ain't like them.
Southern
Jerry's.
barbecue.
I'm
I
going
Gary
to
Page
the
is
crops.
okay.
What are these?
The country crocs.
Country crop butter.
Cajun country.
What are these?
Honey garden.
Honey gold.
Honey gold. I like the honey gold.
I like SB and
I don't
the
remember
ones
what
that
this
did they
tastes like.
job the most was the TNT for
What
sure.
did this taste like?
What was that?
The KB Country Basket.
They was
That
alright.
was our first favorite.
Alright,
Then you get out 7.
That was our
alright.
first 6. That was our
It
first
was our
6.
first
Let me
favorite.
try this.
Matter of fact, I don't think I like
Let me
those.
try this
Yeah, they might be the
bro.
best ones.
It was our first favorite.
Nah, these are seasoned.
Country bourbon, right? Or something like that. What was it called?
Country
KB.
Bird. Oh, this was the
Nah,
beer
Kentucky.
wing.
No,
Yeah.
Kentucky bourbon.
This one tasted like beer.
Oh,
a good
yeah.
wing.
Okay.
Listen,
I'm
I'm gonna be
done.
honest. Don't see
Try
this
this
shit.
shit. Try this.
Did you taste all 24 wings?
Try it.
I'm done with them.
Nah, try it.
Oh yeah, I'm done.
Wing
with
basket
these
is
two.
elegant.
Yeah,
If I
they
was
got me
smoking right
feeling
now,
sick, bro.
I'll be rolled
That's how
them up.
nasty that cheese
I'm
was.
putting
Nah,
it
try it.
back.
I'm putting it back just because he did that, bro.
That WB.
How many
Listen.
wings we eat? 11?
I'm going
I'm
here.
starving.
I want to throw up.
We ate 11 wings. I'm starving.
I'm starving too, bro.
The best wing casket out, I'm probably gonna
This
say.
is where wings come to die, nigga.
Honestly, this was the worst mukbang fucking food ever.
This wasn't even, this is a review. This ain't no mukbang. This is a review.
Fries is a 10.
Superb.
I wish I had some fries.
Yo, listen. If you gonna go to wing basket, get the fries.
Get napkins and fries.
That's it.
Fries.
How was the
They're-
soda?
Hold
How
on,
was
they're
the soda?
wetting that. I ain't get no
That was
soda.
orange Fanta.
It was good.
It was
Is it
conf-
I love orange wine.
It was flat.
No, it was Fanta.
Okay.
Nigga,
Alright, so
was
get
it
the
fountain?
go to wing basket, wing casket.
Go to, let me tell you what to do.
Get the fries and the
No,
drink.
hold on.
That's all you
Pause.
need.
Let me tell you what to
That
do.
joint tastes like it came out of the
Go.
Damn, y'all never running in my mind again. I'm never gonna think of y'all again.
What's their name again?
No way.
There's no way they put it
They
in the
oven
fryer.
baked these.
The oven baked.
Oven baked.
They oven baked
We
these.
should have told them we was going to
They didn't even air fry them.
We should. So they put the foot
So they
in.
can-
No. We shouldn't.
need a big
No.
toe.
That's
We
not what
shouldn't
we
have
do.
told them we was gonna review them. So they did what they supposed to do. They are who we thought
are
they
normal
were, bro.
customers.
You feel me?
So,
You feel
like
me?
normal
And
customers.
now
And
when people get it,
Yeah, in that aspect,
It might
They
be
didn't
like
have their food ready.
They said, nigga, hold
yo,
on.
so they black owned with white people in the kitchen.
White Joe with the blue ponytail.
She was the register.
Nah,
She dropped
She's in the kitchen.
She dropped
She's
them.
cooking.
And you heard her say, "Order up" or whatever the fuck.
Yeah, she
Drop
Nigga,
them.
plate.
Yeah, let's call it.
I just want to ask them why there was no sauce on put on any of my wings, and that they going.
What's that for, though?
They was all dry.
Because they were like. Hello, yes. I just purchased wings, and I was wondering, like, I ordered some Southern barbecue, I think it was, or something like that.
Or
SBs
hot.
and hots, but they didn't come with no sauce. Like, I was wondering if they were like tossed in sauce or something, or like how.
How
Well,
much?
like none of my wings really had any sauce on them, and I ordered like 7 of each kind. Yeah, and like literally none of them had the sauce on them. Like they were all like were kind of like dry rubbed.
So he's me.
Were you the one who went the 1-7 of each flavor? Alright, yeah.
We're not going back there anyway. You can just give us some fries.
Yeah, the fries were superb.
I love the fries.
I'll just take. We could just. Yep.
Fries
So
was-
just
What
give
do
us
y'all put? Do y'all
just
put
give us some
sugar on
free-
the fries?
Just give us like a couple free baskets of fries and we can settle.
Legit.
Hello.
You heard.
We said we'll bring back the wings that we didn't eat because we think they're all dry rubbed and we wanted fries in exchange.
Alright, bet. Say less.
All right.
Thank you very
Thank you
much.
for your
and I
service.
will be leaving a Yelp review, so watch out for us.
We'll be leaving a review for you guys. Thank you very much.
We're coming for fries. Got a plan?
I don't want nothing. I want my mom's cooking.
He want his money back.
I fuck with y'all because y'all try to like, know what I mean, compromise, you know what I mean?
I don't like that.
Bro.
See, we just did a full review on y'all whole store. We had terrible reads. The caller made a complaint, and you guys handled it perfect. Whoever
So out of
answered
5
that phone
stars, what y'all giving
deserves a
them?
raise.
I give him 2 more stars for that. So
Yeah.
I was it 2
Yeah,
stars?
because
Out
customer.
of 5
No,
stars.
you're not.
Out of 5
When you're
stars?
reviewing a store, you gotta start like this. For
5 star
presentation,
review? 2.
presentation. I'll
Yeah,
give
which
it
is y'all dealt with that. Okay.
I'm
so.
talking about presentation for the
As
food.
far as
Oh,
what's
high
up right now.
Two.
That was pretty. That was like
It was
that's,
like a 2.
honestly, that's not bad.
Taste.
To go.
Yeah, presentation is not bad.
That's not bad, right? For you
It
said
gave us
two.
options to see.
Even though spilled all over my floor and
Oh yeah, y'all
Okay.
didn't see that part.
Through the
Yeah.
paper bag. Okay.
The hot wing wasn't hot. It was
yeah,
all dry.
presentation 2.
Yeah, presentation 2.
The taste overall, you gotta give it like this.
I won.
You like the country?
I'll give it a 2. I like it.
That's 1 out of 11.
That's 1 out of 11. That's like a.
So it's
Bro,
like
you
a,
go to the
it's
That's
club.
worse than Shaq at the free throw line.
God.
taste is bad. Taste is bad.